Got 5 more EDC gadgets, new ones. Multifunctional Pry Bar Operate 2. Let's see what this thing is all about. So comes with the lanyard or ropey. So first of all, we have a nice pry bar. Why do we need a pry bar? Because if you try to pry open something with a knife, it will chip a piece off, and we see it all the time. A knife with a chip off, and it's like a $250 knife. Breaking it, not a good idea. So this is why pry bar steps in, and there's a very cool, unique little hidden pocket inside here. Let's see how many. There it is. Looks like 3 beads, which is 6 different bead tips. So take one, slide the other ones back in. Perfect, sits in there really nice and tight, and there's a ball that will latch it. Nice. Okay, where do we plug it in? Right here in the back of it. Become a little screwdriver. Very cool. Different one. Flip it over and change it out. We don't need any, just hide them away. Kind of have to slide in the correct weight so it fits all the way. And now when it's full, it's not shaky. It's not making any noises. Really nice clip. Titanium. There's a linear hold, a ruler in centimeters. Yes. Up to 8 sm, so centimeters. I know cm, but sm. And there's a little, what do you call that? Wrench. Very cool bottle opener. And obviously, ooh, I love that machine work. There's lines right here. It will be pretty easy to cut to box tape or packaging and cut it open the box, and it will not cut anything inside of the box, which is nice opening it. When we open a box with a knife, there's a chance opening the box and scratching whatever is inside. So I really love that pry bar, very unique. Next one is Alllight utility knife or tackle donut this time. So let's see what it's all about. This is incredibly popular. People love the design. So the donuts with sprinklers, that classic donut. So I have reviewed tackle before, and this is quite nice. It's America, looks like. And push. Ooh, why is it not coming off? Ooh, this is a safety right here. Don't see that very often. And it locks out all the way. Right here for a little bit of a blade to open boxes, and right here. So 2 seconds. Locks in here and here. And then we can put it on lock so it doesn't open by mistake. And it's on knife or tackle donut. Beautiful, very comfortable, very skinny, will fit the pocket super easy. And there's a pry bar right here and a hole for lanyard or keychain, whatever. I guess the only thing is missing maybe a little pocket clip or something like that, but it's amazing. There it is. Now there's a donut option. Next, I got right here titanium magnetic quick release keychain or tackle R1 or knife. Let's see what's about. Beautiful, sealed. Oh, of course it's not plugged in together. Why would it be? So there's keychains, smaller, bigger, whatever. So there's keychain holes on both sides. It could be smaller, bigger, whatever. So presses down and it's still on the magnet. Wow, that is really cool. Locked to where it's not going to open but swivels, which is nice. And there is a lock and a magnet. Let's see. The magnet is a neodymium magnet, so really stone pull. Titanium, so it's lightweight. And the coolest part is it's anodized blue. Beautiful. I really like that lockable magnet quick release. So we can keep it on a magnet, quick release it, plug it back in, use it and lock it back up. Awesome. Next, Alllight Open Glow, rechargeable pen with the charging base, and it's a donut as well. Again, beautiful packaging. Probably still have to use one of these tools to pry it open a little bit. Okay. Wow, beautiful. Check out this packaging. Again, press and hold for 1 second. Screws, read me, it says. There's right here the base, the refill, and it's also donut base. And there's a magnetic, I guess we can stick it on something so it does not fall. That is cool. That's what I'm interested about, this base. Beautiful. So it's rechargeable, plugs in right here. Wow, that donut sprinkles actually indented. Very good. Okay, check this out. That is satisfying. Okay, pull me right here. That's what it says. Wow, that might be one of the best, like donut pens, donut gadgets. So press it here and hold for 1 second, and it will keep it on. And then there's a pen right here. Beautiful. Press and hold, and then making it brighter. Wow, that is really bright. And what's so cool about the Alllight, it tells us high is 120 to 60 lumens, medium 60 lumen, low 20 lumens. Moonlight is what, 5 lumen? Okay. And it tells us the throw and the run time. So for 2 hours or like 5 hours it can run on the moonlight before we recharge it. Double click the brightest. Press and hold, change the lights. Very simple. I love that pen, very beautiful. Wow. And recharge it, just plug it in into the pen, and it plugs in to USB-C, and it will stick onto the, like, wherever we're gonna set it up. A magnet, it's a sticker, so that way it will not fall. Beautiful. But yeah, this is high quality paint job with the indents. Amazing. I really like that one a lot. And for the last one, Nitecore LR73 in 1 rechargeable lantern flashlight. So there's a lantern, there's a flashlight, and looks like a hook. Let's open it up. Wow, max output 3000 lumen, max distance 300 meters, max intensity, and so on. So very bright, and it's kind of like a spotlight and a lantern too. Very versatile. Let's see, this is a new one, just came out. Okay, we have right here USB-C charger. Okay, wow, that's hefty, so the battery is pretty nice. There's the hanging part. Okay, let's look at all of these charging ports. USB-C and on and off flashlight. Oh, okay, all I have to do is press and hold, and then short lights. Wow, that is bright. I like it. And right here is a lantern. So very simple, 2 different pieces. Ooh, it's too bright to look at. That is an incredibly powerful lantern. In the dark we'll probably be using this to conserve the batteries. Need a little bit more light to, like, maybe read a book and socialize, and working on something. Very bright. I love it. Can even walk with it. Very cool flashlight, pretty hefty. I'd say this is more of a camping light for sure. And let's see, double click all the way to the maximum. Very simple modes, just keep on clicking and it will change to the brightest. Very nice, hefty, durable. I like it. This is one of the best lantern flashlights made right there.